Hey BK fam, it's the summer of adventure, and we invite you to be a part of it. This summer, we're going to be asking this question: how can I turn a little moment into a big adventure? Whatever you're doing this summer, cooking in the kitchen, going to a park, or going to the pool, it can all be turned into a great adventure. When you think of big adventures, you may think plane tickets, hotel stays, lots of planning. But we want our BK families to experience adventure right where they are. You're gonna go for a walk, play I Spy. You're gonna give them a fun summer drink, throw a crazy straw in it. Little moment, big adventure. We're gonna be sharing with you fun ideas for you to do at home. So, on to the video. Let's make a simple, sweet treat into a fun adventure for your child. We're making watermelon jello, complete with chocolate chip seeds. We're gonna start with green jello, then a layer of whipped cream, and then a layer of red jello, and not to be forgotten, our chocolate chip seeds. This is a great activity to talk about different parts of the watermelon, your colors, and following directions. On to our next adventure, a splash pad. Now, how can we make this little moment a big adventure? Let me tell you. Instead of just going to the splash pad, let's make challenges that they will have to complete while at the splash pad. For example, do 5 jumping jacks under the sprinkler. At some point, they have to come give you 2 hugs, and I spy every color of the rainbow. Need a few more ideas? Screenshot this list. And don't forget, you can invite others to join you in your adventures. See you next time as we continue to make little moments, big adventures. And remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and right here on YouTube.